Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 10th. Today student, we are going to start unit number 4, that is web application and security, in which we will cover first learning outcome, that is working with accessibility option. In this there are 3 points are given. The first point, understand various type of impairment and impact of the uses. Second one thing, computer accessibility dialog box and its tab. At last, serial keys. So it's a practical part will cover illustrate use of various options under computer accessibility like keyboard, mouse, sound, display, setting, serial key, cursor option. Use of toggle key, filter key, strict key, that is sticky key, sound entry, okay, show sound, etc. So let's start with theoretical first. So as you can see student, the CBSE has provided us the study material. According to that, this unit number 4 divided into 11 session, in which we will cover today only few parts of session 1, that is working with accessibility option. So before I am going to start the accessibility option, we will understand it, what is that. So here you can see relevant information under the session number 1. Under session number 1, that is working with the accessibility option. The first one thing, computer accessibility refers to the user friendliness. So student, it is important to understand what is accessibility. So student, computer accessibility, a particular type of topic in a computer which actually refers the user friendliness. It means to say you can operate the Windows, all computer operating systems like Windows XP, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, etc. and so on. Why? Because it's a friendliness. Okay, in the term of Ubuntu, okay, Red Hat, Mandriva, okay, these are the Linux family of the particular operating system. These are difficult to operate and they are not user friendly. Okay, even then you can understand the Android based mobile, you can also operate it without any problem because it is friendly. I mean to say user friendliness. It means to say it is easy to access. Okay, so we will understand it again what is said by the study material. Computer accessibility refers to the user friendliness of the computer system for all. It means to say everything whatever we are going to do, the practice, I mean to say practical or the operation, it will be definitely easy to operate it regardless of their disabilities. Okay, this is a mainly software issue. Okay students, so here accessibility option is regarding to only mainly software issue. Okay, so however, when a combination of hardware and software, it enable a person with a disability or implement to use computer. So sometime it may be possible a student or disabled person can also use that particular computer. This is also possible in accessibility option. It means to say accessibility option not provide you only friendliness facility for the normal user, I mean to say normal general person, but those person who are abnormal, I mean to say disabled by any features. Okay, so accessibility option try to overcome, okay, this particular disability of the person and he or she can use the computer easily. This may be possible with the help of combination of software and hardware. Okay, so it is known as assistive, that is assistive technology. It means to say whenever a disabled person can access the computer with the help of hardware and software combination. Okay, this term is known as assistive technology. In this session student, we will learn about the basic accessibility option available in our computer. Okay student, so here are steps that is given here. So there are numerous type of impairment that impact uses in computer. These includes first one thing, that is cognitive impairment and learning disability such as dyslexia, okay, attention difficulty, hyperactivity disorder or autism. Okay, so these are some kind of a disability. Okay, under this we can have the impairment to say we have the option in a accessibility option to reduce that. Visual impairment such as low vision, complete or parental, that is blindness, okay, partial blindness we can say that, and color blindness. So hearing impairment including the deafness. Next one thing, motor or dexterity impairment such as the paralysis, cerebral palsy or carpal tunnel syndrome or the repetitive strain injury. Okay, so here are some impairment and diseases are there. We can see the disability. So accessibility option in control panel present. Actually it is used to customize the way your keyboard, display or mouse function. Okay, many of these features are useful people with the disability as are discussed earlier. In this session we will learn use the accessibility option in Windows XP. Okay students, so consider this is under the Windows XP, not Windows 8 or whatever. So in this part student, we can do only theoretical part. Okay, so you have to just read it, learn it and just remember it. Okay, so you can see this particular figure whose dialog box name is accessibility option. In this keyboard, sound, display, mouse, journal, these are tabs present inside that. Okay, so here you can see use sticky key, use filter key, toggle key. Okay, these things are there along with setting buttons also. So we will discuss it one by one. Till then we have to assume that we are in Windows XP operating system. Okay, so now launching accessibility option. So you have to launch accessibility option where in my Windows XP. So where you have to go, click on start, then after that control panel option will be appear, and after that you will see accessibility option. Okay, in accessibility option you will see this such type of dialog box. Now first one thing, keyboard tab. Here you can see that keyboard tab, sound tab, display, mouse and journal. Okay, so here we are going to understand what keyboard tab contains. So first one thing, sticky keys. Sticky keys actually accessibility, it is an accessibility feature to help the computer user with physical disabilities, but it also used by other as means reduce the representative strain. Okay, sticky keys allow the user to press the release modifier button. Okay, such as these buttons are Control, Shift and Alt. Okay, or window key. Okay, and have the remain activity until other key is pressed. So suppose that if you are going to press the R button, T button or P button, okay, so it will be press, keep it press. I am to say toggle mode pressing button. You have to just start Control Alt and delete button. Okay, I am the Control Shift and Alt button together along with any button. Okay, it will be pressed until you will press it again. To enable this you have to click apply and click OK. So such type of, you can see image you will see, that is stick key symbol in your status bar. Okay, or notification bar on your Windows XP operating system. And then after that, after having the enable sticky key, you will now practice to see the effect. So let's see what is the effect of that. Start notepad, and after that you go to do so and click start button, all program and accessory and notepad. Okay, after that you consider you have opened the notepad, and then after that type some text, 3-4 line at least. Okay, then place the cursor at the beginning of a text. That you can see that beginning of a text, you can see that. Press Control key on the keyboard and press Control A on a keyboard. Notice entire text gets selected. So it means to say you do not need to press Control and A together. If you have already enabled the sticky keys, okay, you can press Control key once and then after that A after that. So computer can consider you are pressing Control and A together. You do not need to press Control plus A together in this case. In this case, you are simply pressing Control button once, and then after that, after few seconds, you can consider press A button. So computer automatically consider you have pressed Control plus A. Same way Control plus S also. So sticky key allows you, okay, if it is enables, it will do not restrict you to press combination key together. You can press once first key, then second one key after that, and after that to disable the sticky key, okay, uncheck the stick key and then click on apply and okay. So student, today we have learned only keyboard part sticky key, rest of part we will consider in next video student. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.